guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you are new, please consider subscribing down below. I do a lot of makeup and beauty related videos, but I just like to have fun in general. If that's what you like, we're here. Let's get started. Today I'm going to try something new that I hope comes out well. So I follow a lot of makeup artists and makeup people on Instagram, and a lot of the times I really love the makeup looks they do, and sometimes I try to recreate them. I don't film myself recreating them, but I try to on off camera. But today I decided why not just film, because I think it'll be a good idea. So let me show you what I'm trying to recreate today. It's this eye look right here. It is from Jessica Rose. If you guys didn't see it well there, I'll pop it up here. It's different than what I'm used to doing because I usually just do eyeshadow and I do eyeshadow looks, but this is like a winged eyeliner look. I do love my winged eyeliner, but I don't do it with color like it's showing it here in this picture. So that's why I want to film myself, because if it's a fail, I hope you guys enjoy it, because then we can all have a laugh together. I honestly don't have the exact same products that she uses in her picture, but we are going to do with what we have. I'm going to begin by just laying out a nude color on my lid just to make everything smooth and seamless. So I'm going in with my BelleGlory palette. I am going to be using this palette right now later on too, so why not just use it for this also. Let's see. I'm going in with transparent with just a fluffy brush, and oh, I haven't zoomed you guys in. I should probably do that. Just a little bit, since it's not really a tutorial. Oops, I moved you. It's not really a tutorial, but I do still want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. My base is already done, as always, you know. Okay, I think that's good enough. So let me just go ahead and lay out this transparent color all over my lid, just so that it's nice and seamless for that liner that we're gonna do. And again, this is not like a tutorial. I'm not trying to take you step by step. I'm just trying to recreate a look that I liked on Instagram. If it goes well, then hooray. If it doesn't, then oh well. It's gonna be a fail, but that's okay. We're here to learn. Next, I'm going to be doing that winged eyeliner look. I am taking this brush right here. I'm pretty sure this is meant to be for your eyebrows, but I use it as eyeliner. Just use it as whatever I feel like using. And then I'm going in with the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette. I have used this in the past very lightly though, because it looks like it's brand new. I'm going in with the middle shade here. I believe it's called Berry Pop right here. So it's a very pretty burgundy shade, and I think it imitates that liner look that she has in her picture. Now in her Instagram, she does use like a gel eyeliner, but I don't have a gel eyeliner. I don't own any gel eyeliners, I don't think. So I'm just gonna do powder eyeshadow. And hopefully this works well on its own. I don't know if I have to lay out like a tacky surface right here. So it looks pretty pigmented. I don't think I have to. Oh, it's not as sharp as hers is. And I'm only going to take it like here. She does do like a fox eye look with it, but I don't want to do that. I feel like it doesn't suit my eye shape for some reason, so I'm not going to take it all the way in. Okay, this is the part where I'm going to wing it out. I'm getting quite a lot of fallout from that shadow, so I'm just gonna lightly flick it off. You don't want to go in too hard because then it like smudges the color on your skin. Trying my best. I have a little smudge there. That's okay. We can do that. Did I wing it out too much? Does that look okay? Does it look weird? I feel like it looks weird. I don't know. Maybe we can do it a little bit thicker. So that's what that's looking like right now. I think I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and do this this eye off camera, and let's see if we can try to get them the same. Alrighty guys, so that is the two eyes. I feel like they're not identical. I feel like the wings are just not the same. It could be wrong, it could be just me. I don't know, I tried my best, so that's that. We have that. It looks like she also has glitter like on this part of the winged eyeliner, but I'm gonna save the glitter for last. I always like to save glitter for towards the end. Let's work on bottom lash line because I see a lot of detail right here on the bottom. So let's do that. I'll take that same brush. I'm going to take the same brush and the same color, Berry Pop, and very tight, what am I trying to say? Very closely tight line my bottom lash line right here. She does use other colors though. It looks like she has some orange and yellow. I think I want to zoom you guys in a little bit more. So So I'm going to go ahead and tight line right here and kind of connect it here at the end of that wing. I'm hoping after tight lining this side, it'll look more identical to the other side. I don't know, is it just me guys, or do they look not the same? I feel like this is a little bit like slightly this, maybe it's just my eyes. This one's like slightly up and this one's more like flat. I don't know. In no way am I an expert, and you guys probably know that. I just do makeup for fun, and trying out and messing up and trying again, I think, is key to getting better at anything that you do, not just makeup, anything. It's just trying and trying again and failing, of course, yes, at times, but trying again and knowing, learning from your mistakes. So this is the first time I'm trying this look. I can definitely tell you guys that next time I'll tap off my brush more before, you know, applying the shadow there, because I did have some fallout there. I cleaned it up the best I could right now, but just letting you know, you learn from your mistakes. Let's see, do they look a little bit better now, more identical? No. Let's go ahead. I'm going to clean that brush off right here, and I'm going to use, I want to use the same brush. Now going in with my Juvias Zulu palette right here, and I'm going to pick up the orange. I really like that orange. I'm going to be using both the orange and the yellow from this palette because why not? They're very super pigmented. I think it's good for this look. So let's see, a little bit of that. The orange is going to go right underneath the burgundy shade and kind of like buffing it out, blending it out right there at the bottom. Let's see how this works out. Okay, looking okay. Wait, does she take the... Oh yeah, I didn't do it on this side. She takes the orange and yellow all the way out. So let me go back, because I started doing it on this eye slightly, and then I was like, wait, does she do that? Yeah, she does. Yes. Can you tell there's orange there now? Maybe slightly, a little bit. So now that I have the orange laid down there, now it's time to go in with the yellow. I am switching over to another brush. This is what, a smudge brush? Yeah, a smudger brush like this, and we're going in with that yellow from the Zulu palette. The most prominent color that I'm looking at in the picture, it's more of that orange. The yellow is just like very slightly there. So we'll try to imitate that as best we can. I think this one I can not so much focus like on stamping. I think I could like do this kind of movement, motion. I don't know what I wanted to say there. Oh, I'm liking that. You know what? It looks like a sunset. I like it. That's pretty. I might need to stamp it on here on the outer portions to give it that pigment. But I don't want it to look too thick. Let's see. I could have been a little bit more sharper there on that. And from far away, it doesn't look too bad. So since this isn't really like a tutorial, guys, talk to me. How are you doing? How is your day? How has your week been? I hope everyone's doing just dandy. I'm filming this the day after Thanksgiving. When is it gonna be up? I don't know, probably on Saturday. I don't know if I'm gonna do Vlogmas this year. I did it last year, but I feel like I had more stuff to do. I feel like this time around I have even less stuff to do. Like, I really don't do much. Really wanna watch me do nothing? I don't know, you guys tell me if you want me to do Vlogmas. I'll probably do it like I did last year. We'll film a little bit each day and have it up by the end of the week if you want. But I'm excited to watch all of your guys' Vlogmas. That I am excited for because your life is much more exciting than mine. Alrighty, let's see what is next. Okay, so it looks like that is it for the bottom lash line. In the picture, it looks like she does have like a nude liner and she just like on her waterline. I don't have a nude liner, so I'm going to have to skip that. Maybe I can do white. But I don't know. Do I want to do that? I don't want to do that. I'm not gonna do the waterline. Now it's time for the glitter. Now I'm going back to my Bella palette right here. Oh, I forgot you were zoomed in. I guess would be rose dust right here. I mean, it's not burgundy, it's like more like a pinky, but we're gonna try that, and we're gonna try it without glitter primer. Usually these glitters are actually pretty nice without the primer anyways. I'm just wiping off my liner brush that I was using earlier to create that wing right here. Oh, I like it. Okay, yeah, this is actually perfect. It's very close to the color actually on that picture. Okay, this automatically took the look like just that one step up. It does look like she has on her inner corner a gold glitter. I'm gonna go in with my Beige Cosmetics Carli Bybel Palette and that gold highlight shade that's in the palette that I'm almost running out of. It looks like it's completely gone. Now let me just take you in a little bit closer. I can still get in there. I still have some right here that I can use. No product gone to waste. I want to use a gold highlight first for my inner corner, and then I'll go in with more of a glitter so it can like look more like what's on the picture. Does she have any on her brow bone? No, it doesn't look like she has any on her brow bone, so I won't do that either. Although I do love my brow bone highlight. I won't do it today. Let me add a little bit of that gold and a little bit of white to my Cupid's bow. So I was contemplating, I have a loose glitter, a gold loose glitter here from NYX that I can use. But then I was like, why not try this one also from NYX? It's the liquid crystal body liner. So I think I'm gonna use this one instead. This one is in crystal gold. I've never tried putting this kind of liner or glitter into my inner corner. I usually do this for like the eyelid or something. Oh, some glitter went up there. No. Let's see if this works for inner corner. It's tickling me. Well, she does have that like fox eye out here. I don't have that obviously. I'm gonna drag this a little bit here to the lower lash line. Kind of meet up with what we did here on the bottom. And then a little bit on top also. Oh, maybe I can connect this to, since I didn't bring this liner all the way, maybe I can kind of connect the two. I know this is not how she has it in the photo, but I'm trying to make mine look cohesive. I think that looks good. Ah, bling bling! Oops. I think I did that a little bit too much. Ah no, then I looked up. That's the thing with these liners, guys. Make sure before you move your eyelids it is completely dry, because right now I don't know why I just looked up and you can see it kind of got on my eyelid there. But I can clean that up. I can fix that. At least I hope I can. Well, that's okay. Let me go ahead and fix the rest of the stuff. I'm gonna brush out my eyebrows. And then she also has falsies in the picture. I don't want to put on falsies just because I don't feel like it, being lazy. So I'm just gonna put on mascara after I curl them. And then I will be back for lips. So there we have the eyelashes. I went a little bit lighter. I usually like to go in a little bit thicker with my mascara, but I feel like this is just good, because then too thick I think would take away from the actual beautiful eyeliner creation that we have going on. So, all right, let me go ahead and wipe off the bake so then we can move on to lips. Let me look at the picture. So on another one of her pictures from that same post, it looks like she has like an orangey kind of lip. I was thinking nude would go, of course, perfect. Can never go wrong with nude. But we're going to try. The only thing though, I totally forgot, she is wearing more of a corally blush. I didn't wear coral blush today, which I probably should have tried, but I forgot. But oh well. You can see kind of, can you see kind of there, it's like an orangey type lip. Okay, why isn't it not coming out good on camera? I'm gonna pop up a picture right here again for you. So the closest thing that I have to that, and I'm excited, it is the Wet n Wild cat suit, and this one is in the shade Flame of the Game, and it is matte, right? Yeah, she does have matte. This is a matte lipstick, so it's gonna be perfect. Oh, it looks really bright on camera. I feel like the way I did the gold inner corner and I kind of connected it to that red up here, and it's given me totally Christmas vibes. If it went for the lower lash line that's more autumny and fall-like, the top part is definitely more like Christmas. I think we can do this for Christmas, just switch out the orange and yellow for like maybe a green. That would be really super pretty. But I mean, I'm not mad at it because I'm actually happy with myself that this came out a lot better than I thought. Yeah. Let me kind of try to fix my hair so I don't look completely, entirely weird. So that was that, guys. Let me know what you think of this look. Did I do well? Did I not do well? Yes, there's things that I could have done differently, I feel like, here and there, but overall I am not mad. You can't say I didn't try. This was a lot of fun for me to film for you guys. I do want to try to recreate more looks on camera for you, just so you guys can watch me fail or do well. I think I did well today, so that's a good sign. If you guys ever have any suggestions of looks that I should try and recreate, tell me, let me know about them, send them over to me. I would love to see them. And you guys, don't be afraid to try and experiment with different types of looks. Like I said, I'm used to doing more eyeshadow type of looks and not so much like winged eyeliner, although I do love my winged eyeliner, but I always add it on top of eyeshadow. Does that make sense? I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!